This 2016 Dynamax Corp Force 37TS is a Super C RV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dynamax Corp is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, Slideout, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features Bunk Over Cab. This 2016 Dynamax Corp Force 37TS is built on a Freightliner M2 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.